I am Sushil Dubey from Bethel Mission School, Godda. Now I am going to teach you importance of pH in everyday life. What is the important? Why pH value is important for the life? pH in our digestive system. When we take the food is there, then you know what happens to the food. Some acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid is produced there. This hydrochloric acid work is there. It makes the food acidified and break down the food. So sometimes excess HCl is formed there. When excess HCl will be formed due to some of the disease, excess of the HCl is produced there, it forms the acid in our stomach. Then what happens? If acid will come, then irritation will come in your belly, then digestive system, then what we do is that we take some antacid. Then we take the antacid, what is some medicine which is made of the base. Generally, rainbow take it there, that work is there, it is the base. So acid react with the base, acid become the acid in the stomach. So we take some of the food of the base, rich of the medicine of the base. So acid plus base, neutralize the food. So first important thing is there, we take some antacid is there, which is the base. This is if pH value become the more less, then acid is formed. HCl form is there, then if we not digest food properly, then we take the base, it neutralize the food. Second, pH change in the cause of teeth decay. Suppose that pH change in tooth decay. pH change in the cause of teeth decay. You know that when we take the food which contain the sugar, then what happens is that this sugar change due to some of the bacteria change into the lactic acid. This lactic acid decay the tooth enamel because our tooth is made of the calcium and calcium phosphate. So what happens? This acetic acid decaying of the enamel of the teeth. Then what happens is there? How we save from this? By the tooth decaying. Then one thing is there, we should take the sum of the base. So what is the base? All the toothpaste, whatever you will use it there, you must remember is the pH value of the 8, means it is the base. 8, pH value 8 means it is the base. So acid plus base, neutral. That's why we say there, when you are taking the food, you clean your mouth plain of the water, because this base become the dilute. Make it dilute, or you are washing with the toothpaste. You see what some kind of the teeth is, all of the, we can say now, all of the toothpaste made of the base. So we can take it there. So second work is there, plant and animal. Now third point is there, animal, plant and animal are sensitive to pH. pH change. Plant and animal. First we know is there, plant, if your plant will grow, if the pH value near the 7. Near the 7 means 7.4 become the basic, otherwise it become the 7, less than the 7 means 6, between the 6 and 7 or between the 7 and 8. It is good for the growth of the plant. But now what happened? Our soil becomes the more acidic. First question is there, how our soil becomes the acidic? You know how acid has come in the soil? By the two way. First we are given a lot of fertilizer. That fertilizer, it is made of the chemical. So it may be made of the metal or non-metal. So metal, when metal react with the oxygen, they make the metal oxide. It is the base, or non-metal oxide, it is made of the acidic. So due to this what happened, our soil, we are given a lot of fertilizer. Due to this what happened, it becomes the acid or base. If soil become more acid or more base is there, then plant will not grow well. Due to this what happened is there, if soil becomes, first you check the soil. How you check the soil? you take some soil and mix in the water and filter it well. And after that you put in the pH paper and you measure the pH paper. If the pH paper you will see that less than the 7, it becomes the acidic. Suppose that 5.5, it becomes the pH point 5.5, then plant will be not grow. That's why it becomes the acidity is there. Then same amount of the base you are producing in the soil and make it neutralize first. Then you grow the plant. So generally this thing will happen. It becomes the more of the acidic, soil becomes the more acidic. You put in the seed is there, then all the seed will be destroyed there. Plant will not grow. That's why first you check the soil and grow and planted the tree. That's why it is a very huge. If your soil becomes the more acidic, then you know some of the reason what happened. Soil becomes the more acidic. Then carbon given the lime. Why given the lime? Because lime is the base. So acid plus base is become the neutral. That's why you know one program has given in the radio. Kisan bhaiyon ke liye what given is there. First you check the soil. That's why first work is there before the sowing of the seed. You check the soil. If it becomes the more acidic or more base, if becomes the more base, then you are given some of the acid fertilizer. Or if become the more acid, then you are given the some of the fertilizer which is the base rich. That's why now it will be given when you are going to the shop, they will say you are taken this urea, you are given the 1 kg, then you are given that some other of the base, other of the set you mixing is there, mixed together and given is there. Because why? Because one is the acid, one is the base. Due to the acid plus base, it becomes the neutral. Now third thing is that fourth pH change survival of animal. pH change survival of animal. Now you see there what happened. Generally now we have seen here all of the locality pond and river. Whatever pond and river, it is become the dead. Why it become the dead? Due to the because its pH value become the less than the 7, less than the 5 you can say there. But due to the acid rain. But now question arises there, how our water become the acidic? How acid has come in the water? Then now what happened is there? Acid rain. Now you know what is the acid rain? Acid rain, how acid rain is formed? We know it there, a lot of non-metal found in the atmosphere. Suppose that we are burning some of the organic substance is given the carbon. This carbon react with the oxygen, it forms the carbon dioxide. And when we are burning the sulfur, burning the coal, it given the sulfur. This sulfur react with the oxygen, it makes the sulfur dioxide. And this carbon dioxide and sulfur react with the water in the atmosphere. When rain has come in there, it is mixed there and become the carbonic acid H2CO3 carbonic acid or H2SO3 sulfurous acid. H2SO3 sulfurous acid. So it makes the water more acidic. Due to the acid water, when water becomes the acid is there, when water becomes the acid, then all the aquatic animals like fish, what happens in the fish? Female lay the egg on the water. Male and female both lay the egg on the water. When they lay egg on the water, then what happens is there? This acidity damage the egg. So fish will not grow it there. That's why when water becomes the more acidic, you must give some of the base. Then make the water neutralize. Before giving the fish in the pond, you are given the some of the base. Then neutralize the water. That's why now what happens is there, we have generally see there all the pond and river, before the 30 or 40 years, a lot of fish will be found in there. But now we say all the indigenous fish, which are grown in the general of the local of the pond and river, that will be died. Why? Due to the excess of the acid rain. It damages the water. So this water becomes unfit for the drinking also. Unfit for the drinking. Plant through chemical welfare. You know it here, sometimes honeybee is cut. Honeybee is biting, cut, sit in your body and push his sting on your hand, you are getting very pain on this. Then what happens is that it produces the acid. Honey bee produces the acid. So it good medicine is there. You are but some of the base you are produced in your hand. What is the base? Then base you know is there. Otherwise you are some base is there. Produce the base. Suppose the base sodium baking soda. It is the base. So acid plus base. If we neutralize there, so sometimes when honey bee will bite to you, at that time it produces the acid in your body, so you are getting very pain. So very good medicine is there. At the same time, if you in your house there is some of the base baking soda is there, you rub it there. If not, then you know it there. Soap also contains the base. So wash your hand with the soap, then you will get the relief. Now wash. Sometimes wash will be bite to you. When wash will bite to you, then it produces the base. So when base is there, then base will be there, then you are getting the pain because wash produces the base in your body. Then what happens? Some acidity is given. So you are rubbing the vinegar. Vinegar is the acid. So base plus acid neutral. They will getting relief from your pain. So this is a very good medicine is there. Suppose the honey bee bite to you. But to the acid, if you are not getting the anything is there, then we know it there all metal oxide at the base. So you rubbing the iron, rusting iron, rubbing with the, then you are getting the relief is there. If you are baking soda, it is very better, good is there. Wash, then you are putting some of the cut it there, then you are vinegar, some acid. If suppose that not vinegar in your house, then what happens? Some of the acid, cutting of the lemon and rubbing it there, it also produces some of the acid. And now itching hair of the nettle. Sometimes you know the plant, one plant is there, nettle plant. You know nettle plant, first you know what is the nettle plant. You know one type of the plant is there. If you touch it, leaf is there, you are getting the pain. That's in your language, if we say nettle plant, ulkusi will be say in the general in the village language. It will be produce the pain in your body. So what happens is that why produce the acid? Because this plant given the acid in your body. So at that time some base is there. I say some base. Base means iron oxide, otherwise baking soda, otherwise some of the base you are rubbing it there. Acid plus base, it makes the neutral. So remember is that this is a very good medicine is there because what medicine you will go to the soap, you will very pain is there. Such a type of the thing you will produce it there. Now, up to here, if you have any difficulty, you will contact with me with my phone number already I given to you or the students. And third thing is that live in your house and save yourself from the corona virus. Thank you.